Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your spaces recording history on your account on Xtwitter easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy and safety, and now here you'll find it spaces settings, click on it, and here you'll find manage your spaces recording history. Click on it like this and that's it. That's how to find your recording history settings and manage your spaces recording history settings easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.